Morning guys, David back with another cryptocurrency update. Thank you guys all for liking, subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and definitely starting that conversation down below. I really do appreciate all of the interaction we'll be getting. Today's video is going to be about XRP and whether or not $5.89 or $1 or any of these predictions that Tony from Thinking Crypto or Alex Cobb or DM Logic or Digital Asset Investor, everybody's making their predictions. Everybody's laying down the gauntlet for when they believe the next bull run will come, and I can only say this out of experience that none of them have been right. Now, if you were to go back and just look at any one of their videos, there might be moments in my videos too, there might be moments when we make a prediction within a big blanket statement that might actually come true, okay? A lot of the times people are making predictions, trying to quantify when a bull run's going to come, how much the bull run is going to be for. That is something that we need to start to change. Okay, because at some point, as believers in this technology, if we think that this is actually going to be the utility-driven technology and the financial tool that we believe it's going to be, for us to be calculating this XRP price or this Bitcoin price in the price of dollar is going to be the problem, okay? Because dollar, unlike Bitcoin and XRP, is unlimited. There is no maximum circulating supply, and there is, just like Bitcoin for that matter, there's nothing backing the fiat dollar. The only thing backing Bitcoin or XRP is their technology and in the ways in which we will utilize that technology. So as we're trying to figure out my 1,000 XRP is valued at X number of US dollars or euros or yen or wherever you're from, that's the calculation that we're doing now as we're trying to put money in, okay? If you're a long-term investor in this space, the possibility of you not pulling fiat money out and for it to not even be in existence in the way in which it is now is extremely possible. The United States dollar will not be this world reserve currency thing forever. We're in the 40th year of the United States being the power player of currency. That won't last forever. So like I'm saying, you have to start to calculate things with your XRP calculator. Okay, when I started out in investing, it was in silver coins and precious metal. I've now changed. I'm now into cryptocurrency, but in the beginning stages of my investing, every single thing that I was buying outside of investing, I had to know, in a sense, what portion of my investment I would not be able to buy based on the fact that I was going to the movies every other weekend and spending $30 at the arcade every other day. These are all things that you have to start to calculate with your XRP calculator. Next time you're standing in line at Starbucks and you're going to spend $5 on a coffee, tell yourself how many XRP that would be, or whatever the commodity is that you're invested in. It's time for us as investors to not look at the investment that we have as dollar coming out in the future, unless you're a short-term investor, unless you're somebody just trying to ride the hype, trying to ride the train to get in on the profit and then sell out as quick as possible. There's a lot of people that are not going to sell their bags. We're going to force TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab and Bakkt. We are going to make them buy from us, okay? Because if and when Ripple, the company, unescrows their 60 billion XRP that they have, like I've said before, that will crash the price no matter what, okay? Unless they release it and it goes directly into an institution, and then the institution starts to use that 60 billion in their trading flows, in their liquidity providing, in their customer acquisition, in their business building. Those are going to be things that start to move us out of being locked under this fiat paradigm. Okay, because we're in a fake and false market, a fiat market of currency right now, which means we go to work. I'm on my way to work right now. We go to work to earn the money to buy the crypto. Okay, in the future, we're going to be going to work to earn the crypto directly. Now, you can transfer the word crypto to anything. Whatever you believe the stable asset class is that's going to move us forward, whether it be a precious metals, whether it be real estate, Now, I would say whether it be stocks and bonds, but I wouldn't choose that. I wouldn't choose currency. I wouldn't choose bank accounts. I wouldn't choose to just leave it all sitting there for the powers that be to print it into existence, okay? We need to be the ones in control of our financial assets and our independence. So with all of that said, it's time to take control of the financial industry from the powers that be and give it back to the people. Whatever we need to do that. We need to have this conversation, and we've got to start it down below. If you guys have anything to add to this, if you think I've missed anything, or if you think I got something completely wrong, please tell me. But understand, the money that we carry in our pockets today didn't exist in the form in which it does before the US became the world reserve currency and we started to hyperinflate or overprint our currency to nothingness, which is exactly what every single currency does in existence. They start out, some of them start out with actual backing, like the British pound sterling. It's been around for 316 years or 315 years, and it started out with a specific amount of silver correlating to a specific paper bill. That has completely changed. And the British pound sterling, being the longest lasting, and I guess you'd call it most successful paper currency, is 99% insolvent and is almost to the point of extinction. Just like every other paper bill ends up going to. 0. 100% success rate. I couldn't show you anything else in the world that is a 100% success rate except for death, and in case of United States, taxes. Those things are 100% success rates. They will get their tax money, and at some point, we will all die. So we got to be cautious and we got to be careful, because there's things happening here that we need to be in control of. Thank you guys very much for liking, subscribing, commenting, turning on the notification bell, and definitely commenting down below. I would say again, share this video, because the only way to get this market to blow and to expand is to start to get people that have no idea about this market to know everything about this market. Thanks, guys.